Alright, well, recording the meltdown, basically, of the huge Chicago blizzard. If you saw my other videos, you saw how high the snow was. Like, practically up to my thighs, which is about maybe 3.5 feet of snow. And it's just gone. And it's about 3 days of, well, like 4 days, but 2 of these days are about 60 degrees, almost 60 degrees, like mid 50s for one of them, and 2 days ago it was like high 40s. It's just, everything is melted. There's practically no snow left, and the snow that is left is all dirty and grimy, and creek down the road is overflowed with water because 2 weeks ago it was frozen solid. But now there's whatever snow was left is now melted. So there's now 2 feet of water when there should be maybe like 1.5 feet. So yeah, I blame global warming, but that's Chicago for you. You get a blizzard, you get warm days, and then 3 days later it's going to be freezing again. So just want to show you this. The green, because, well, it's green and it's February. It's like I'm not even wearing a jacket. It's just so warm out compared to 10 degrees. So yeah, well, little patches of snow here and there, but most of it's gone, which is kind of sad because we only had about a week of this snow before it started melting. But luckily it didn't rain, because that would have been making everything a lot worse. Just want to show you this. It's about 45 degrees outside right now on February 18th, 2011. Thank you.